Here today, I'm going to be showing you my car collection. Okay, so let's get into the video. So here's the first box. Here's the second. So I'm going to go one by one. So 1 minute. Okay, guys. So here's my 1932 Bugatti. It's not actually from 1932. It wasn't made like that, but it was actually made in 1980. It is really old for this Hot Wheel. There's one. Let me put this back into a different box. Now we can go for this one. This was made. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I just figured out what the date was. It was 2004, so I got that. So now let's move on to this one. So this one is really bright. It was made in Thailand, made 2013. So here's the car. It's not glowing in the dark. Too bad it's not. I didn't say it's not, I said not. Here's a glow in the dark one. This is really cool. It was made when this guy was made in 2010. Pretty 9 years old. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's check on this guy. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I really have. Okay, guys. I guess it doesn't say a date. So let's move on to the next one. I'm going to take one out of this box. And this one was made in Malaysia. It's a Chevy Impala. Yeah. So this one don't even say the date. Oh wait. 1953. I think it might have been 1953. I'm not for sure, but here it is. Let's take out this one. 1 minute, I have to look at the date. Okay, this one was made 2013. Okay, so there's this. I'm going to this guy. Yeah, I still can't read them. I don't know, but this is pretty cool. So yeah. Now let's go for the Halo one. Wait, did I already do this one? 2017. Okay. Let's do this one. That one looks pretty cool. Sorry about this. 1971. It's pretty old. It was made. Really old. Now let's check for this one. It's Deadpool. You can see Deadpool, right? 1986, this was made. Look at this one. No. This one was made 1997. Okay, so we're done with then we're done with that much cars. We still have this much to go. Yeah, so I'll be right back. This is the 1936 Cord, made 1996. Pretty cool looking. Sorry about that if that hurt your ears. Here's a really cool looking car. This car was made in 2001, okay? This car, it looks pretty cool. 1 minute. This car was made in 2011. So when this car was made, doesn't go really straight, but yeah. This one is 2014. So yeah. Wait, let's see what kind of car it is. Doesn't say, so yeah. Let's get on to this van looking thing. Sorry. This was made in, I don't know. So, yeah, let me pause it. This was made 2007. Okay. Move on to this one. It was made 2013. Okay. Be right back. I'm probably going to pause this video a lot just to let you know, so don't get upset, please. So this is a 2017 car. I meant 2007 car. So here it is from a side view, front view, other side view, back view. Alright, let's move on to this. It was made, a minute guys. There's something that doesn't say, so this one is a Dodge Viper. So this one's a race car. Check out this one. This guy. 1 minute. And this one guy was made 2014. Sorry about that in the back. Sorry about that in the background, and sorry. Like I was saying, I'm sorry about all my dog barking in the background. So yeah, this guy was made 2002. I guess it's pretty old. Not that old, but I guess.